To manage camera photo enhancer in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open Camera app. Next step is to navigate to the four dots right here and go into camera settings. After that, we'll be able to find photo enhancer and then you can see four options. First is the decision. You can switch between prioritize quality. You'll then get the best possible photo quality when you take images. Balanced, which will speed up capture time by reducing optimization, but this can worsen your quality for photos. And you can prioritize speed, which can greatly worsen the photo quality, but you will capture your photos very quick. If you select the option called prioritize quality, you can also enable scene detection, which will automatically adjust the color and contrast of photos to match the scene that they are currently on. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.